the power off should be a 15-amp breaker. Also. Hey, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to do the Rockface edge on the countertop. I had a drop of part A from my epoxy to keep it flexible, and then you add some of the hardener, mix it up, get all the air bubbles out. So once you have that all set up, go ahead and put down a thin layer of Bondo. This will set your base. The next step is just to work it in like so, and kind of making some highs and lows in the Bondo. Once it's all set up, all you got to do is come back and sand it. So you will see as I'm going through here some low spots and high spots, and I'll come back and retouch those and get this all in here. So you can see we're getting close to where it's setting up now. Once you decide the texture and finish you like, you let that set up, come back and sand it with some 150 to 220 sandpaper. So here it is. This is the Rockface edge for the countertop. I'm gonna pour them this weekend, so part 2 video will be coming shortly. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and like. Thumbs up.